Hi guys, today I want to talk to you about construction history and how to delete it and the different types. So here I just used the quad draw tool to just give myself a bunch of construction history on this cube, and you can see that all here in the channel box. It's got construction history and it's not frozen. We're going to freeze the transforms as well. So there's three different ways you can delete the history. All right. The first one is right here in the modeling tab. This little thing with the clock and the X, you just click that and it'll delete the history. This one right next to it is actually the freeze transforms. So watch, I'll click that and it made all the zeros, like it put all the transforms to 0 and the scales to 1. I'm going to undo that. The second way is to use the shortcut key Alt-Shift-D. That deletes the history. I'll undo that. And the last way is to go to Edit, Delete by Type, History. See, it's Alt-Shift-D. This top one is the one you're usually going to want to do. But if you're working with a model that already has skinning or something, has modifiers attached to it, deformers, then you want to use this one, or else it'll delete the skinning off of your model. But usually when you're deleting history on a model, you do that before you rig it and skin it. But in the case that that does happen, you want to use non-deformer history, right? One last thing, if you are using something like the quad draw tool, where everything you do, every little click is adding to your history, right? You can actually turn off construction history by clicking this button right here. This is the toggle of the construction history. So watch this. I'm going to use Alt-Shift-D to get rid of my construction history and turn off construction history. Then go back to quad draw, and I'm just going to move stuff around. I don't know, delete a bunch, relax, just to get some fast construction history, right? And then I'm going to exit the tool. You can hit Q to exit a tool and go look at my object, and there's no construction history on this cube now. So I can still undo because I have it set to have unlimited undos in Maya, right? But if I was to save it, right, then it doesn't have any construction history. So there you go. Hope that was helpful. Catch you in the next video.